Welcome. This meditation is designed to stimulate and upregulate your immune system. You are welcome to brew the immune boosting tea, to hold the cup and sip throughout the meditation, as this is designed to be experienced with open eyes. You are encouraged to be in nature, bare feet on the ground if possible, or if not, feel free to dance, move around, explore what's around you wherever you are. Breathe, sway around, do whatever you intuitively feel like doing to release any stagnant energy and to welcome in strength and replenish your energy. There is no order in when to drink your tea. It's important to listen to what your body needs and act accordingly. You are welcome to brew the immune boosting tea once you have completed the meditation and want to settle yourself back down after the energy boost, or the other way around. See what your being is called to in the moment. May you enjoy. As your tea steeps and cools down, seize the opportunity to rejuvenate yourself. Begin by opening a window or stepping outside for a breath of fresh air. Inhale deeply, welcoming the invigorating energy of the earth. Feel the wind brushing against your skin, infusing you with vitality. If possible, stand barefoot on the ground, holding the cup of tea in both hands. Imagine the earth's powerful energy charging you from underneath, grounding you and connecting you to its life force. If you're indoors, visualize the sky above sending its revitalizing energy down into your body. As you hold the cup, repeat the affirmation, I am resilient. Feel the power of this phrase charging up within you, allowing the potency of the herbs within the tea to flow through you, strengthening your body's defenses. With each mindful sip, envision the herbal infusion as a source of empowerment. Picture the tea infusing your cells with resilience and vigor. Imagine your body's immune system becoming a shield of protection, fortified by the healing properties of the tea. As you sip, let the present moment fully envelop you. Feel the wind against your skin, releasing tension and replenishing your energy. Exhale deeply. This connection with the elements enhances your immune system, revitalizing you from the inside out. Know that by savoring this cup of tea, you are fueling your perseverance. Each sip empowers your cells, providing the nourishment they need to thrive. Take this time to explore either closed or open-eyed. Feel free to move your body, walk, jump, dance, or sway your arms from side to side. Release any old energy and welcome in the new. Do anything you are called to now. By moving with integrity, you are proving to yourself and your psyche that you are strong and resilient. When you're ready, take a final sip, acknowledging the strength and vitality you've cultivated. If you feel called to, open your eyes and look around you if they're not already. Open yourself up to the exploration through the eyes of gratitude. Can you see? You have more than enough around you. You have more than enough strength within you. You have all the resources, tools, and guidance to support you. The earth's got your back, and so does the universe. Take this time to explore, either closed or open-eyed. Feel free to move your body, walk, jump, or sway your arms from side to side to release any old energy and to welcome in the new. Carry this resilience with you as you continue your day. Embrace this practice as a tool for self-care and immune boosting. Return to this meditation whenever you seek a reminder of your inner strength and the healing potential of connecting with nature. We do the work to create more of what we love because it feels good to feel good. Well done for showing up for yourself.